Hey, hello everybody, this is Khornos. I'm not sure if my audio works. I'm pretty sure it works. It should work as always. But anyways, I'm here with Rogo, and it's a pretty popular game nowadays. But there's another way to farm ETL. But specifically, how much EXP you get when you hit ETL. So it really depends on which clan you are. As for me, I'm a, Nuro. And there's two stages. This is the first stage. I don't want to, this is the F move. The other stage, I don't want to press the F. But the R is this, although I can't hit him because it's not in the range. But anyways, if you look up here, this is called Tiny Task. And this is just a screenshot. Okay. But what I use to auto farm is I use this GS auto clicker, and I'll show you my hotkey or control space. And there we go. There's a lot of auto clicker out there, but I find this one a lot simpler because all you do is option, and then you get your option if you want to right click, left click, how many. If you want a double, you want a single, and then there's a set of repeats, repeat until stop, how fast you want it. Although it's not the best one, there are many other options, but there are many other things you can get. But what I use to press my keys are, auto soft, auto keyboard. So you can save this, right? It only lasts 24 days and then you have to buy it. But it only lasts, but anyways, you can set your key and there isn't that much of an option. You can't do control. So the number of keypads are like the one, if you have a laptop that's big or a keyboard that's big, you have your normal A through Z with the 1 through 0 on the top. Well, and then on the right side, there's like a home page, end, page up, and then number lock, and just like a little calculator on the right. That's what these are. And then you just set your keypad, your hotkey, and then you play it, you record it, and then you play it. So I put 8, and now I'm gonna press 9 to play it, and that's what it does. Though here's the thing, here's a flaw with this. There's no wait time. So for example, here's what I mean by wait time. Let me just type in. Can I even type? That's what I mean by wait time. It's automatically doing it without actually, specifically controlling. Like if you want to wait, 5 seconds. It's not gonna wait 5 seconds. It's just gonna go for it. Anyways, what I do in these times is I use Tiny Task. And what it does is basically copy any movement on here. Like if I'm doing this, do that. I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna put on continuous playback because that would be a pain. What happens is on continuous playback you could really mess up your computer if you don't pause your mouse. If you keep on moving your mouse or you keep on pressing something constantly, it's gonna F you up. This is what it's gonna do, because it's gonna copy exactly what you're. So I'm not controlling it no more. This is it doing it on its own. So it copy exactly what you just did. And it's going to repeat 2 times. Okay. So if you have a constant movement on your mouse, that means that when you try to go up, your mouse is going to come back over here. It's like, imagine if I have auto click on, right? It's auto clicking, right? It's going to bring it, the mouse is going to bring back to where it was. This is what Tiny Task is doing. So you want to do that. Anyways, time to finish this video up. So per hit, every hit, your EXP gain every hit. I know I did a video on this, but I didn't know what I was doing or what I was talking about. You gain the same amount of EXP equal to your win or con damage. So I have 1,200. That means every 100 I gain 10 EXP, right? Or I gain 2. Every 100 I gain 1 EXP. So 1,200 I will gain 102 EXP. It should be 112. I don't know why. Or 120. But okay, so for example, if I were to put 1,300, I would gain 103 EXP. If I were to do 2,200, I would gain 202 EXP. This is what I would get. So just imagine that this is 100s and this is the ones. This is the hundreds and this is the ones. There's no even. It skips the tens. So that's what it is. And for me, since I have double EXP, I get 26k and I get the double on each hit instead of a single. So all you do is do the math, divide that by half, and you get whatever, 56 or something like that. Anyways, peace out.